Enene mu no podcast ofuma. At least enene go nya to ebe 30 something minutes now. We say can draw sister Emeka Ugwuonyeama. Between Odiegwu, the son of Odogwu, and Tigbegbe, me Yinka, hospital ebe Yinka na alo, school ebe nwa Yinka na ago na America also. Who again? And Omo Odiegwu, nwa Odiegwu and nwa kele onye n'ime ha who your client. Because in that podcast, you seem to be speaking and defending every one of them. Who among them is your client? Because you admitted that now these people who have buzo, we believe me. Not have buzo, we believe me. And these so na people who so we me, more like a nation she will build so that she can have enough social media backing in order to fight those people. That along the line, if you say that not good enough, you started recounting the damages now. And they say, no, they mean these people, there's something about Queen. We might want to serve war, seize order, disease order, go to police. And you say na police, and not to see you. Kerizinde delunka. Mwese kanjua ongozi na ekwuchitelu Odiegwu na mmadụ niile ọnụ ha eche no lawyer akwu mmeke ewu ịghọtago and ndị nke ni nwe lawyers why are you more popular than lawyer ndị nke ni ana m ajụ ajụjụ ị na-eme ITK too much ịghọtago inwe domineering attitude. You want to dominate everywhere. You want to control the mind of everybody. You want to be at the center and dictate the dance that everybody is going to dance. And on your which will drop from KC Mazen and the Kano because you want to do the same. How do you think you can honestly, as a lawyer, control the fan base of somebody in a peribe? Is it your business? It's not your business. Let them go to police or let them instruct their lawyers to issue cease and desist order. Ha nwe lawyer, ha digba lawyer, ha je meye. Or na ha feel no onye defame ha. Let them follow the right procedures and go about the case. Are you going to be a complainant in their own case? Did they hire you? I have from maybe people that now you have never communicated with the Odiegwu or Gwegwe, but you seem to be defending them from all around. Who pay you to defend them? Because I can now watch the podcast. I'm still going to analyze that podcast, but that podcast is so funny, and I feel ashamed on your behalf. Now that particular podcast. Who exactly is your client? Video with so many cases in a court. Kelun ke used to danalo if in the rata suputelu we Georgia. Mazan the canon with different cases. Wow, Yana government in a bibe. Kelun ke can the IPOB if not putting his words or video jakeme on Kemadu Shial. A jota substance of Ifonia Shial. Government if you want to have a problem with Ifonia Shial. Government will go for the blogger themselves. So what exactly are you saying? Don't you know that the judge may bring up the video of the main nation, so paint an image of one anti-Begwegwe and bring it up in the court? Since when can Judge Sibidolu he present the evidence to cases Hannah handle? Since when? Since when? Who exactly are you? Lawyer exactly at this case? You seem to be the lawyer for everybody. You seem to be the lawyer and sympathizer of everybody. The lawyers of Ndi defend, we don't even know them. They are not even talking. It is you who is everywhere singing like a parrot. Singing like a parrot because of your ITK. I too know. Onya kanjiapo sister Emeka Ugwuonyeama. Because you are beginning to sing too much. You dropped out of the case because now the main nations fail releases. What does it have to do with the case in a handle? All the main nations and when they have to let those people follow the appropriate legal procedure to address those people. And if they call you, if you want to do the job, Nobody called you. You just decided to be the lawyer and defender of the people who doesn't even care about you, except if there's something you are not hiding. Because there was a story you told, and I'm still finding it difficult to believe that Nagona Odiegwu Hankata or that story, even though they pretend they're Nagona Yekuko. Yes, you seem to have so many interests in this matter than just being a lawyer to be made. If I adjust my observation from everyone you seem to be the person that wants to control and they command everything. You want to control every happenings, both from this side and from this side, that you are beginning to speak for people who did not complain to you. They did not complain to you. Eh? Even what they did to Yinka Obodo, you were speaking for her. School here, hospital, you were speaking for everybody. The question is, did they hire you to speak on their behalf? Did they hire you to fight for them? Did they hire you to defend? Did they hire you to present or pursue their case? The answer is no. You are a lawyer to me, but you seem to be more interested in everything that is happening around the case. I greet you and I hear you, Sister Emeka Ugwuonyeama. I hear you, Jisike, ITK. Onya kiji drop na case Mazen Nnamdi Kanu because now allow okay control everywhere. How can you control even the sympathizers of your client? Can you do that? You cannot do that. You cannot do that. Or na against somebody, onya feel not that grieved by you. Let that person pursue their case, not you, who is a lawyer, pursuing the case of people who did not hire you. This is Ezugo.